Umbrella girl, would you open it up for me? It's raining hard, that's where I need to be. Umbrella girl, I'm dripping anxiously. You're getting wet, would you open it up for me? I can nearly remember what it felt like underneath, you pulling me closer and the tumbling tangle of our feet. Umbrella girl, would you open it up for me? It's raining hard, that's where I need to be. Umbrella girl, I'm dripping anxiously. You're getting wet, would you open it up for me? There is barely the room for me. Can I nestle close beside, where our hair it will mingle, till we both are warm, warm and dry? I mean, I don't mind getting wet, it's such a natural way to be, but I'd rather come with you. Won't you open up for me? Umbrella girl, would you open it up for me? It's raining hard, that's where I long to be. Umbrella girl, I'm dripping anxiously. You're getting wet, would you open it up for me? Umbrella girl.